This is the 14th question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1. Number 14 is asking for the value of y. You're given a system of equations. Don't do this by hand. You want to plug it into Desmos. When you plug it into Desmos, you only see one line. So what the heck? You should see two, so you zoom out until you see that intersection point. Now the intersection point is close to the y-intercept, so you want to zoom in over here so you could definitely see here. Now, it doesn't tell me the intersection point. If I just click on a line, I get a gray dot, and then it tells me the intersection point. Questions was asking for the y value of the intersection point. Mark your 80 and move on. That's your answer. See the full-length video. Check us out on YouTube. Go to IB Masters Learning Center, the playlist, find Test 3 Module 1. The longer videos just above these shorter videos. Have a great day.